Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya, and in today's video, as you can tell, I have box braids. I recently got these, so I'm just going to show you guys a few ways on how I style these box braids. They're pretty quick, simple, and easy, and they're also cute ways to style them. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you go subscribe to my channel and click the bell while you're at it so you'll know the next time when I post a video. And yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, to start off this first hairstyle, I'm just going to take a section on both ends of my hair and I'm just going to pin them up in the back with a scrunchie. So now I'm just going to show you guys from the back on what I did to make this hairstyle look a little bit more decent and look like I took more time on it. So basically I just flip my hair inside out to make it look like a twist, kind of like. And basically this is what it looks like. On to the next hairstyle. This is basically your normal ponytail. You can have it higher or lower, but I just decided to put this in the middle of my head. And it took a lot because these are a lot of braids, but this is what it looks like. Okay, so on to the third hairstyle. I still have the same ponytail from the last hairstyle that I showed you guys, but now I'm just going to make a huge bun on top of my head. You can have this higher if you want to, or lower for a low bun, but I just still have it in the same spot where I had my ponytail in. But basically I'm just wrapping it around my hair as loose as I can because I'm trying to make this like a messy bun, and I'm just using this big scrunchie to make it stay in place. And this is what it looks like. This hairstyle, I'm just starting off with my hair being all down. I'm just going to part it to the side, and now I'm just going to part this little small section down by my ear and just put the rest behind me. Now I'm just twisting my hair behind my head, and now I am just going to take a scrunchie and grab a few pieces from behind my head and just gather it up into one small ponytail. And this is the final look on this hairstyle. I'm keeping the same twist that I had from the last hairstyle, and now I'm just going to twist this section all the way down and just put it in the back like I did the last time. And now I'm just going to take this scrunchie and just gather up the other ponytail and this ponytail that I made, and I'm just going to put it up into one big ponytail in the back. And this is what this hairstyle looks like. For this hairstyle, I'm just parting my hair to make a section on the top of my head. Now I'm just going to take a scrunchie and I'm just going to tie this around my hair about 3 times just to make sure that it is secure. Now I'm just taking a braid out and I'm just going to wrap it around this ponytail. So now I'm just going to split my braids in half in the ponytail, and basically this is just a cute hairstyle that I like, and this is the final look. So I'm keeping the same part and I'm just wrapping it around to make a small bun at the top. So now I'm using this scrunchie just to make sure that the bun stays in place and that it doesn't move or anything. And now I'm just going to be a little extra and add these little gold jewelry in on this bun. And basically this is how the style looks, and I thought it was really cute to add the jewelry in with it. Okay, so for this hairstyle, I'm just parting it down the middle as close as I can, and I'm just flat twisting all the way down on both sides. Now that I'm finished flat twisting, I'm just going to gather it up on both sides and put it all the way in the back. And basically this is how it looks. Okay, so for this hairstyle, it's just your normal half up, half down. I showed you guys how I parted it in the back, and now I'm just tying it up with a scrunchie. And basically that's it for this simple hairstyle. Okay, so for this hairstyle, I'm just parting it down the middle and parting it both sides down by my ear. And I'm just going to put the back up with a scrunchie to keep this out of the way. Now I'm just going to put each section up into one ponytail. Now I'm just going to wrap my hair around into a bun on each side. And this is the final look for this cute space bun, half up, half down hairstyle. Okay, so for this last hairstyle, I'm just leaving all of my hair down, and I'm leaving 2 braids on one side, and I'm putting the other braid on the other side. And now I'm just taking a few braids from the bigger section, and I'm going to put it in the back. And now I'm just going to gather a few pieces of braids, and I'm just going to put it together. And basically I just wear this style almost every day because this is one of my favorites. And this is how it looks, guys. Okay guys, you have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and hopefully these styles that I've shown you in this video have helped you and have gave you different ways to style your box braids. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you go subscribe to my channel and click the bell while you're at it so you'll be notified for when I post more videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!